Good morning guys, today we've got here POCO X8 Pro Max and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first let's open your phone dialer. Now mark more options and select contacts. Here you can pick contact that you wish to block. Scroll down and you will notice block numbers. Just mark it and confirm that you truly want to block this contact. That's it. As you can see here, you will be able to see the sign of blockade, and this number will not be able to reach you like either via message or phone call. However, whenever you want to unblock this number, just open it again. Wakey. Scroll down and here you will be able to unblock it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.